Let's try and understand the concept of God in the major religions in a nutshell. First, we'll try and understand the concept of God in Hinduism. The two major and most authentic scriptures in the religion of Hinduism are the Vedas and the Upanishads. It's mentioned in the Chandogya Upanishad, chapter number 6, section number 2, verse number 1. Ekam eviditiyam. God is only one, without a second. This is a Sanskrit quotation. It's mentioned in the Svetasvetar Upanishad, chapter number 6, verse number 9. Nacha sekasij janitana chadipa. Of that God, he has got no parents, he has got no Lord, he has got no father, he has got no mother, he has got no superior. It's mentioned in the Svetasvetar Upanishad, chapter number 4, verse number 19, as well as Yajurved, chapter number 32, verse number 3. Na tasya pratima asti. Of that God, there is no pratima. Pratima is a Sanskrit word which means an image, a photograph, a painting, a picture, a sculpture, a statue, an idol. It says, of that God, there is no image, there is no picture, there is no painting, there is no portrait, there is no statue, there is no idol, there is no sculpture. And the Brahma Sutra of Hinduism, the fundamental creed of Hinduism is, Ekam Braham Devtya Naste, Nena Naste Kinchan. Bhagwan ek hi hai, dusra nahi hai. Nahi hai, zara bhi nahi hai. There is only one God, not a second one. Not at all, not at all, not in the least bit. So if you read the Hindu scriptures, you shall understand the concept of God in Hinduism and understand Hinduism in the right perspective.